Little storyteller.
Nibbles the hamster was tiny and brown, with whiskers that twitched with excitement. His cage was cozy, with soft wood shavings and a little spinning wheel. But Nibbles dreamed of big things. He looked up at the round, white moon in the night sky, and wished he could visit. One sunny afternoon, Nibbles found a cardboard tube, a toilet paper roll. "This," he squeaked, "will be my rocket." He gathered shiny blue and red bottle caps. These would be the buttons. He found some sticky clear tape, and started to stick everything together. His friend, Pip the gerbil, with his soft gray fur and long tail, peeked into Nibbles' cage. "What are you doing, Nibbles?" Pip asked, his nose twitching curiously. "I'm building a rocket to the moon," Nibbles replied proudly, showing off his toilet paper roll spaceship with bottle cap controls. Pip looked at the rocket. It wobbled a little. "Maybe," Pip said thoughtfully, "we could make it stronger together." Nibbles' eyes widened. "That's a great idea, Pip." Together Nibbles and Pip found more cardboard and taped it to the rocket to make wings. They used shiny wrappers from treats to decorate the outside, making it sparkle. The rocket looked much sturdier and even more exciting. They couldn't really fly to the moon, but Nibbles and Pip had so much fun building their rocket together. They learned that when friends work together, even big dreams can become a fun adventure. And did you know, real rockets have different parts that all work together to fly high?
Please subscribe. Thank you.